Introducing BobCAM for Rhino. From BobCAD-CAM, the world leader in powerful and affordable CAD-CAM software. Let's see what this CAM package can do. 2 to 5 axis machining, including pocketing and profiling, surfacing, indexing, wrapping, and rotary, up to full 4 and 5 axis simultaneous machining, 2-axis lathe, mill turn, 2 to 5 axis router, laser, plasma, water jet, and wire EDM. Once you have your model completed, laying toolpath is as easy as selecting geometry, selecting your operation and tools, and hitting compute. You have the ability to easily simulate toolpath and get a good idea of what to expect from your part coming out of the machine. Get your G-code program with a click of a button. The power you need, the precision you need. Come see why so many machinists and engineers are switching to BobCAM for Rhino. Come see how BobCAM for Rhino can improve your processes and give you the power you need.